Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Equitable Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Equitable Insurance website. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Review the terms and conditions, and then check the box to agree to them. Click on the Continue or Next button to move to the next step. You will receive a confirmation email. Open your inbox and find the email from Equitable Insurance. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Equitable Insurance website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Insurance Products section. Browse the options available and select the type of insurance you wish to purchase. Click on the chosen product to view more details and pricing. Enter the necessary information requested for a quote. Review your information for accuracy before proceeding. If applicable, customize your coverage options based on your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Get Quote button to retrieve your pricing. Review the quote carefully and ensure all details are correct. If you're happy with the quote, click on the Purchase or Apply button. Complete any additional required forms and payment information. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation of your purchase and policy details. Access your account dashboard to manage your policy and view documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.